Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device so action mode works reliably. Make sure your iPhone 15 is running the latest iOS, has enough battery and storage, and that you're in video mode. Once done, open the camera app and swipe to video. This places you in the right capture context. Make sure you remove any bulky case that could block stabilization. Now you're ready for the first control. Locate the action mode icon near the frame controls so you can enable it quickly. Now enable action mode directly in video mode by tapping the running person icon. You'll see a stabilization indicator confirm it's active. You do this because action mode uses additional sensor fusion and cropping to smooth motion, so confirming the indicator helps avoid surprises. Next, make sure your resolution and frame rate are set. Action mode may crop slightly, so choose 1080p or 4K with the frame rate you want. Once set, steady your grip and prepare to record with confidence. Start recording while keeping the subject centered and using a two-handed grip. Action mode compensates for fast movement, but good technique maximizes results. If you see overheating warnings, decreased quality, or unexpected crop, stop recording and disable action mode. This preserves battery and prevents artifacts. If stabilization doesn't engage, force close the camera app and reopen, or restart the iPhone. That resolves most glitches. If problems persist, check for a pending iOS update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.